Welcome back to the channel, Guitars, Mods, and Music. I'm Paul, Vita's behind the camera, and today we're gonna show you how to get rid of the sharp fret ends on a mandolin. How to file them, knock them back. It's a common problem with every manufacturer. This is a Ortega, got this a while back. I really enjoy it. It has the typical small things that all companies have on their mid-grade guitars. Fret sprout, totally common. Guitar manufacturers try to keep their humidity, 40 to 50% at their factories, but then they ship these things out. They go to a drier climate and the wood shrinks up a little bit and you have a little fret sprout. No big deal, easy to fix. Tools are cheap. Everything in this video is ours. It's not a sponsored video. Everything we do on this channel is just what we do. The first thing I like to do is loosen up the G and the E strings. And I just pull them back like that. I take them down to the sides, pull them around back, and I put a piece of tape on them to get them out of the way. There's no use in taking them all the way off. You don't have to do that. Then I go through and I tape off the neck. Right along the edge of the binding, right at the bottom of the fret, right along the edge of the fretboard, just to kind of protect what I don't really want to hit. You can tear it right there. That way it'll slip around that corner nicely. You do that to both sides. Then I take a piece and I go right along the top. Just let it roll right over with them frets. Get it down there nicely. And I take this little file, got this one from Stewmac, you can get them other places. So I take this little file, I hold it just not quite a 45-degree angle. You can hear that, you hear that? That's some sharp. You can hear it quieting down. You can, now you don't hear the metal anymore. A little bit there. And you see the angle I'm holding it. You don't want to be up here like this. You don't want to be just down here working on your binding. You just want that nice little angle on it. You can feel it. See how that quiets down? Turn around, do the other side. Once you get through that tape, you can start hearing the metal. This G side is, the low side here is better than the high side was. Didn't have near as much to take off. So once you have that, go ahead and pull your tape. It's much better already. Next step, take you some tape, run it right on each side of your fret. You're going to take this dandy little file. It's 1175 file. It's flat on one side, kind of rounded on the other. It's a great little file. I got this at Stewmac, I think. So what you want to do is you're going to take the flat side and you're going to just go one direction. Don't start filing like crazy. One direction, just a couple strokes, and you're going to take that little burr off. Oh yeah, you can feel it right there. Nice, nice. Take that little burr off of it, kind of float that out, round it off a little bit. It don't take much. Do the other side. Just go one direction with it. You don't have to get crazy. And you can take that round side and get down there. Use your finger for a guide. Right on that binding. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful fret end right there. So you go down, tape each one off, do the same thing. Then you're going to come back, fingernail file. Take the roughest side of it, just do the final. So you're almost just polishing it at this point. Oh yeah. Flip it over to the smooth side. Major difference. Major difference. And that's about it. Go down and do them all that way. This is the difference between a custom shop mandolin or, you know, your high-end mandolins. The difference is that last handwork. The, you know, run-of-the-mill, you know, mid-grade ones, they're cut out by the same machines. The same machines are making all the parts. It's that final handwork that they don't go all the way through. They do it to where it's good enough, and this instrument was fine. I mean, you could have played it forever like that, but just that little bit of extra, the difference between a $2,000 mandolin and a $500 mandolin. It's that small handwork, just to make that neck more comfortable, make it feel like it was played in well. Hope this was helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have any questions, leave them in the comments. We'll be sure to get back to you. Have a great day, a great week. I'm Paul Hopley. And remember, play your guitars or your mandolins, mod them, and make them your own.